So you can see here's the scrubby pad. We've got it on here, and you can see that we've also got carpet underlay, sponge or foam underlay, and we put that in so you got moisture when you're scrubbing, and Velcro tabs to hold it in place, and this gives you a better scrubbing power without hurting your hands, of course. And you can see you can put it on many other implements just for the sole purpose of scrubbing, as you can see. And also you can put it on your window T-bars like this, all held by Velcro. And if you need a longer piece of white scrubbing pad, you can sew them together. And anyway, that's about it.